Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tony, also known as 50 Shades of Dip. As you can see, starting off with the video, I am doing a box opening for Gigi's Nail Co. So I found Gigi's Nail Co. on Instagram. I also, seen a couple of videos of her pretty products here on YouTube, and I immediately had to place an order. So she packages everything very nicely. She included a lot of Smarties, and my boys tore them up. They were so happy about the Smarties. So I'm getting everything out now, showing you guys what I ordered. I was really happy with this order. Everything came nicely in one piece, no leaking. She does add these nice personal touches to her packages, which is very nice. She does include your name. The packaging looks like it took time. Like, it's really nice. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys all that I ordered. She specializes in granite marble dips, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use them properly. They're really nice. They're not too hard to work with, but they can take a little bit of time, a little bit of work, but they're really not hard to work with. So this is Bubbly that I'm showing you now, one of the glitters that she offered. So I got a couple solids, a couple of the granite marble dips, and a couple solids. So I'm just showing you guys all those now, and here are the swatches. These were all done with dip liquids, so they're not done properly, but this is showing you the color contents of each one, which they are very beautiful. These are the glitters here. And this is the set that I'll be using today. This is in her made to match section of her website. And then she also sent me her clear, which is really nice. I did enjoy the clear. I did enjoy the solids. Really nice dips. So as you guys can see now, I am starting off with my basic dip application. So I am starting off with the solids. The dip liquids I am using today are from Jude Nails It, also called JNI on Facebook and Instagram. These are currently my favorite liquids. I will be doing a video with her products next. So yeah, I'm just doing the basic dip application as of now. I will be doing 2 coats of each color on each nail. I will then clear cap these nails, and then I will begin with the marbles. Okay, so as you can see with me starting off with the solids, I must say these solids are really nice. They're actually shimmers. They have a very nice subtle shimmer to them. I didn't have any issues with staining. I mean, they're light colors, so I really wouldn't have that issue, but they didn't, get in my brushes. They didn't do any of that. They were really nice, really easy to work with. I didn't have any bulges with the colors or anything like that. They were really, really nice to work with. I'm just making sure I'm getting around the cuticle line after each dip with the water marble tool that we get from Amazon. The toothbrush I use, those are the soft toothbrushes that you can find at Target. They are 99 cents for a 2-pack, and I absolutely love them for my nails. That's all I've been using. I don't use a dust brush or anything like that. I just use a toothbrush. These liquids are my favorite right now. As you can see, they're staying where I put them. They are self-leveling. They don't go anywhere. These liquids are everything that I've been looking for. And they work really well with basically any dip that I use. So I'm just getting around the cuticle line again, making sure the powder is absorbing into the liquids. I'm moving on to the second color. And this one's going to go on my pinky. We're going to go ahead and brush that off, and we're going to go in for the second dip. So you want to clean up while you can. While that base is still wet, you want to make sure you get anything off of the skin. You know, we do mess up. We're all human. So just make sure you get it before it sets in, and everything will be okay. As long as you get it before it sets in. I have such a hard time removing dip from the skin after it has dried. And sometimes I feel like I even lift the skin up itself trying to get that off of there. So I do try to get everything while it's still wet. So I'm going in now with the dusting again. So now I'm going in with the clear. I love this clear. It is really good. It is a really good clear. But I'm just going to go ahead and dip into this itself. I'm not going to dump it completely out. So we're just clear capping now. So when I go into file and buff, I'm not losing any of this beautiful color. So once I have all my nails clear coated, I'm going to go in with a toothbrush and make sure I get all the clear dusted off. I'm going to get all the clear out of the nooks and crannies of each nail. And then we're going to move in with the granite dip. So this is the fun part. So she recommends that you use gel liquids when doing the granite marble dips. Reason being is because that is what's going to create the marble effect and make sure you're able to play around with everything before it dries on you. So what you want to do, you want to start off with your gel base. You're going to do a coat of the gel base and just dip straight into the dip. Once you have dipped, you are going to press everything down and do all of your cleanup. As you see, I'm in love with my marble tool, and I cannot do a mani without this water marble tool. So I just make sure I clean up any parts that are still sticky. You basically just dip in again and just make sure everything absorbs into that gel. So now that I have the two marble dip nails completed, I'm gonna go ahead and pop those in my light and cure those for about 45 seconds. Once I take them out, I am going to go ahead and brush off any excess that was on the nail, and then I'm going to begin with the second dip. As you can see, I forgot to activate my solid nail, so I'm going in and doing that now. Now, with the second dip of the powder, you are going to pick up a little bit more of the white matte glitter pieces. You just want to play around with them. Make sure they can overlap. You just want to make sure there's nothing sticking up and everything is in place, laying flat. And then after that, you're going to give it another cure for 45 seconds. Okay, so here are the nails fresh out of the lamp. They just cured for another 45 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and brush the nails off one more time. Now here's when things start to get very fun. So from here, Kim recommends that you go straight in with your gel top coat. You do have the option to clear cap if you would like, but it is not necessary. So I'm just going to put the gel top coat on both nails, cure for an additional 45 seconds, and then we'll talk about what we do next. Okay, so here are the nails fresh out of the lamp again with the gel top coat on. Now, from here, Kim recommends that you go straight in with your nail file. Now, I love this part so much because I love to be destructive. And, sometimes with dip powder, you have to be so delicate that you don't mess up and you don't file through your glitter or anything like that. But with these, that's the main concept. That's what you want to do. So as you file, at first, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit scared because I see like the glitter pieces flying and popping off. But that's what is creating that marble granite look. You want that to happen. That is exactly what you want. So you just want to file and buff until you get your surface smooth. I did go off and brush off because I did have like a lot of white dusties flying around and on the nail from me filing it. As you can see, I'm not using a brand new nail file. This is actually an old beat up nail file. I didn't want to use a new one because I didn't know if it would be too abrasive and too sharp and take off too much. But you just file and file until it's completely smooth, and that's when you will get the look that you see on the website. It is a little scary. It was a little scary at first, I'm not gonna lie, but the payoff is beautiful. It is ridiculously beautiful. So I'm gonna just let you guys watch this and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is my nails after I have finished filing and buffing all of them. You do see the granite marble is now smooth. Now I'm going to go in with my Nail Addict LA Gel Matte Top Coat. Some people do use base coat. I don't, due to I don't have any issues with my top coat peeling or no longer being matte. Once I finish with the top coat, I am going to go in with my Grimes Ridge Cuticle Oil. The scent I'll be using is Succulent Strawberry. It is amazing. So if you don't have it, you need to pick it up. This means a lot to me. Like, I love this cuticle oil with all my life. I do also have a coupon code for them, so I'll link that in the description. I'm just showing you guys how it looks shiny before I cure that matte top coat. And then from here, we are complete. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. It's at 50 Shades of Gray. I'm sorry, 50 Shades of Dip. What am I saying? That will be linked in the description box below as well. Thank you all so much, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your evening, your day, and stay positive. Bye.